Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for class 3 subject grammar. So before we continue with our video, I just want to remind you a few important points, and I hope you all are already doing that things regularly. So that things which we discuss every day before we start. The first thing that you should always wear the mask whenever you go outside with anyone. See that you don't step out without wearing a mask. Also see that you keep a handkerchief in your pocket. Please see that handkerchief should be there in your pocket, and see that your hands are always sanitized. You can use a sanitizer if you are somewhere outside, or if you are at home you have to keep washing your hands regularly at every hour during the day with the soap for at least 30 seconds. Also, before and after eating, you must wash your hands. See that you keep your surroundings neat and clean, including yourself, and take special care of the elders in your family. So, our today's thought is your thoughts shape your vision. You see what you choose to see. So, what is the meaning of this thought? It says that whatever you think, that you will become. If you think good, you will become good in future. Whatever you think will decide your future. You see what you choose to see. Means there are so many things in front of our eyes. There are good things happening, there are bad things, but it is up to us whether we want to see good or bad. If you choose to see good things, then you will also become good in future. So always ignore the bad things and choose to see the good things in your life. The contents that we will take in today's video: lesson number 7, articles. We are going to start this new chapter of your grammar textbook, that is lesson number 7, articles. So I want you to note down, give the heading in your rough book which you are already sitting with, I suppose. So give the heading articles. So in this lesson you will learn how to use the articles. You will learn the usage of articles, how to use the articles in the sentence along with the words, and we will also learn when to omit the articles, means when not to use any of the articles, when to write a sentence or word without the use of articles. That is what we are going to learn in this video. So let us begin. So now in subheading you will write articles are of 3 types. There are 3 articles in English. Which are the 3 articles? A, an, the. You have already learned this in 2nd standard also. So you know there are 3 articles in English. Which are the 3 articles? Please write down. This is the subheading. The name of the lesson is articles. So the heading will be articles. And what will be the subheading? What will you write? A, an, the. These are the 3 articles in English. There is a slash in between, means it is separated by this slash. This slash is put to separate these 3 articles: a, an, the. You already know when to use a or an. A or an is singular article. These are 2 singular articles. The is plural article. So let us study about these 3 articles in detail. But before we study, see what is there? Vowels and consonants. So this thing you have learned in 1st standard or maybe in your kindergarten. So what are vowels and what are consonants? You know this very well, but you still have to write down in your notebook. How many vowels are there in English? There are 5 vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Again, speak along with me and write down which are the 5 vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U. So, write down these 5 vowels. Again, which are the 5 vowels in English? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are called vowels. So, what are these 21 called? Because these 5 are vowels, so remaining 21 are called consonants. What is the spelling? CONSONANTS. A-N-T-S. Consonants. Consonants are all the 21 alphabets of ABCD except for this 5. We have to remove these 5 vowels and remaining all 21 are called consonants. Because there are 26 alphabets in ABCD, as we all know, so if we subtract this 5 from 26, the remaining 21 are called consonants. So you have to write down these consonants also in the next line. Which are the consonants? Speak along with me and write down in parallel. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these 21 alphabets are called consonants and these 5 A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So what is this? Why are we learning this? We are learning the lesson of articles. So why is this necessary? What has this to do with our lesson? Do you know why I am teaching you this vowels and consonants in this lesson? Because vowels and consonants are very important for this lesson, articles. For learning the use of N, A-N-N, you must know these 5 vowels. And for learning the other 2 articles, A and the, you must know all the 21 consonants. So I hope you have written. Now let us see the next slide. So here it shows how many articles are there. How do we divide the articles? So mainly articles, as we say, the name of our lesson, articles are divided into 2 parts. Which are that? Write down in your notebook. The first one is indefinite article. The second one is definite article. Indefinite and definite. These are the 2 categories of articles that we are going to study. So you should know what is the meaning of indefinite and what is the meaning of definite articles. Now, indefinite means general things. When you are talking about general things like book, pen, eraser, these are general things. These are common and general things. So for talking about general things, we use indefinite articles. So which are the 2 indefinite articles? A or N. You should write down in notebook which are the 2 indefinite articles, that is A or N. They are used for talking about general things like, as I told you, pen, pencil, eraser, etc. These are general things and we use articles A or N for talking about general things, so that are indefinite articles. Then the second category is definite articles. So which are definite or definite articles? When we talk about specific things, specific means one and only one. For example, the sun, the moon. So we know that there is only one sun in the sky. There is only one moon in the sky at night. So these are specific things. Where do we live? We live on the planet Earth. So that is also specific. Earth is only one planet. So when we talk about specific things, we have to use the article the. Article the is definite or definite article, while articles A and N are indefinite articles. So please write down the names indefinite, definite. These are the 2 categories of articles. Articles is the name of our lesson, lesson number 7. And in articles, there are 2 types. First is indefinite articles. In that A or N will come. Definite article means the use of the. There is only one article in definite article, that is the. When do we use A or N? When we talk about general things like pen, pencil, eraser. When do we use the? When we talk about specific things, that is only one, like the Mohdi school, like we say the sun, the moon, etc. So that is the use of the. Now let us see the next one. Now I am going to teach you the rules how to use articles A and the. We have already learned that articles A and N are indefinite articles. Article the is definite article, but do you know the rules when to use a, an or the, with which words, in which sentences can we use these articles? So let us learn some rules for articles a and the. So the next subheading in the new line you will write rules. We are learning the rules for articles a and the, how to use these articles with words. So each and every rule you will write number wise in your notebook. Here is the rule how to use article a and n. Now first we are learning about indefinite articles. Which are the two indefinite articles? Article a and n. How to use these two articles with the words or in the sentences? Let us learn. I hope you have given this heading. See the usage, how to use it. First, used before words beginning with consonant sound. When do we use article A? Article A is used when the words are beginning with consonant sound. Consonant means that 21 consonant that we have seen, B, C, D, etc. That 21 consonant we have seen. So when the word starts with consonant sound, we have to use article A. And if the word begins with a vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U, then we have to use article N. So let us see the examples how to use article A when the words are beginning with consonant sound. So I will underline this for you. What will you write? When the words begin with consonant sound, we have to use article A. See the examples which are given over here. You should write these examples in your notebook. Please write it. Which are the examples? A man, a lamp, a cat. See, here is one man, singular. Here is one lamp and here is one cat. But can you tell me why do we use article A? Why can't we use N over here? Because all the words begin with consonant sound. See the first one, M-A-N, man. So the first alphabet is M. It is a consonant. It has a consonant sound M. M is not a vowel. That's why we use article A, because it is a consonant. It has consonant sound. Same way, lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. What is the first one? L. L is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we use a lamp. We say a lamp. Then a cat. The first alphabet is C. Is it a vowel or a consonant? C is a consonant. So we use article A. A cat. A dog. Because C is a consonant, it has a consonant sound. Then see the examples. Write these three examples also in the new line. Why do we use N with these three? See, an apple. So what is the first alphabet over here? The first alphabet over here is A. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So when you see vowel or vowel sound, you have to use N. An apple. Because the first alphabet is A. A is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. So A is a vowel. That's why we say an apple. Then an eraser. See, you can see one eraser. You might have an eraser in your compass box. So the first alphabet is E. E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. First alphabet is E. E is a vowel. That's why we say an eraser. It has a vowel sound. Then an umbrella. Umbrella, we use this especially in this season, rainy season, monsoon. We use umbrella. What do we say? Give me an umbrella. Why do we say an umbrella? Because the first alphabet is U. U is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. So when you see vowel or you see vowel sound, then you have to use N before that word. So I hope you understood how to use articles A and N. And I hope you have written these 6 examples. Now when to use article the? Very important. Write down definite article the. When to use this? So the first rule is, it is used before a noun to specify something previously considered. If in a paragraph, if the word is repeated, we can use the before that word. See, now when to use, these 4 rules are given. First, use the after you have talked about it the first time. So when the word is repeated in the same paragraph, with that repeated word you can use the. See over here, you can see this is a dog, the dog is brown. So once I already said dog, again I am using the word dog. In the next line, in the same paragraph, if I use the word dog again, so I have to write the over here, the dog, because once I have already used the word dog. Second rule, what is the second rule? Use the when person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. For example, I am going to the bank. Now it is very sure that you are going to one particular bank. I know in which bank you are going, so I will say the bank because I already know which bank you are going. There is someone knocking at the door. It must be the computer repairman. So I already know who is knocking at the door. The computer repairman has come for repairing the computer. So I already know who is at the door, who is knocking at the door. So I will use the computer repairman because I know, I am sure that the person knocking on the door is this person. For example, you can say the father, the mother, because you are sure that who is knocking at the door. Then use the when you talk about general places in nature like lake, mountains, ocean, beach, etc. When you are talking about all these general places like the lake, the mountains, the ocean, the beach, etc., you have to use the. Let's go to the beach, or you can say let's go to the park, let's go to the school. These are all general things where so many people go together. Like school, so many children come. Like park, so many people come over there. Like the lake, the beach, so many people are there. So we say the beach. I love to camp in the mountains because mountains are so many. See, mountains. So we say the mountains. It is a group. Then use the when you are talking about something that there is only one of and everyone knows about it. The sky, the earth, the stars as a group. So when you are talking about the thing which is only one in the whole world, we have to use the. For example, see, as I told you, sky is one, so the sky. Earth is only one, so the earth. Stars are so many. As a group, if we say the stars. So with all these things, we have to use the because it is one and only one. For example, how many people are there on the earth? See, E capital because it is proper noun. So the earth, it is the name of our planet. It is only one planet, that is the earth. So we say the earth. The sky is so beautiful today. So we say the sky because sky is only one. So we add the sky, the earth, the sun, the moon, etc. We can also use the with the proper nouns like the Taj Mahal. We can also use the with the name of our school, the Mahdi school. So these are specific things. They are only one. There is not a second thing like that one. So we use article the. So I hope you have understood how to use articles a, n, and also how to use article the. Then see over here, when to use no article. This is omission of article, means when to avoid using articles. When do you have to use no article, means a, n or the. All the three are not allowed. When do you have to skip? When you are talking about things in general. For example, milk is good for you. You can say tea is not good for you, milk is good for you. So when you are talking about general things, you will not use the. Like tea, milk, coffee, these are general things. So you will not use the. You will not say the milk is good for you. It is wrong. Milk is good for you, tea is not good for you, coffee is good for you, etc. Then to talk about sports and games. When you are speaking about sports and games, never use articles. See, let's go and play basketball. but never say the basketball, it is wrong. We cannot say let's go and play the basketball, the cricket, the football. It is incorrect, it will be wrong. So don't use articles with sports and games. As it is given over here, no article is used before the noun. Then before the names of countries, you will not use any articles. For example, Japan, France, Italy, etc. When you say India, never say the India, never say the Japan, the France. It is wrong. We cannot use articles with the name of these countries. Then when the names of these countries are given, when for example UK or US, then it is compulsory we have to use article the, because it is the United Kingdom, it is a collection, the United States. So when you are using the names of these countries like UK, US, then we have to use article the. But in these countries we cannot use article the. Even with India we cannot say the India, it is wrong. But with UK and US we have to use the United Kingdom, the United States. So there we have to use, but at all other places we do not have to use any article. It is called omission, omitting the articles, which I had told you in the beginning of the video. Now let us solve the exercise on articles. So lesson number 7, this is your textual lesson. Now we have started our textbook. This is the photo of your textbook. So you have already given the heading of lesson number 7, articles. Now let us begin. What are articles? We have already understood that there are two different categories of articles: indefinite articles a and definite article the. We have also learnt how to use the articles. So let us solve the exercise which is given over here. So here is the first exercise, warm up exercise. Before we begin, write down the vowels in the blanks below. So first we have to write the vowels. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Let us write down. So first answer you will write down in your notebook. This is answer number 1, warm up exercise. You can give the heading warm up. Warm up means we are revising what we have done. So give the heading and write down answer number 1. You will just write vowels and then you will write the answer A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels in English. In ABCD there are 5 vowels. Next, now write the consonants. Now the 21 consonants we have to write over here. What are the 21 consonants? Let us write. So these are the 21 consonants in ABCD. So write along with me and read along. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 21 alphabets are called consonants and these 5 are called vowels. So when you remember vowels, you can remember very easily that rest 21 are consonants. Now what is question number 3? Write 5 words starting with vowels and 5 words starting with any consonant of your choice. So first we have to write vowel words, and here in the second column we have to write consonant words. Means first we have to write the 5 words starting with vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, and 5 words starting with consonant sounds. So let us write first 5 vowel sound words. So these are the 5 words that you have to write in your notebook. These 5 words begin with vowel sound. So which is the first one? E-A-R, ear. It starts with E. It has a vowel sound, ear. Then A-R-M, arm. See, it has A sound. It starts with vowel A. Then ice. You can also write ice cream. So it starts with I sound, I-C-E, ice. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. It starts with U sound. U is a vowel. Then O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. It starts with O. It has O sound and O is an vowel. So these are vowels E, A, I, U, O. So I have written all the vowels one time, A, E, I, O, U. You can write whatever you like. You can write ice cream. You can also write any other word whichever you like, but it should be with a vowel sound. Now let us write the 5 words which start with consonant sound. Consonant, which are the consonants? We have learned the consonants. There are 21 consonants except for A, E, I, O, U. All are consonants. So you can write any 5 words which start with consonant sound. So let us write. So now you will write these 5 examples which start with consonant sound. Which are that 5? BOX, box. It starts with B. B is a consonant. CLASS, class. It starts with C. It is a consonant. DISH, dish. It starts with D. It is a consonant. FISH, fish. It starts with F. Again, it is a consonant. GLASS, glass. G. It starts with G and G is a consonant. So you can write your examples whichever you like. 5 examples with vowel words and 5 examples with consonant words. Now what is given? Put A or N before the words you have written. So the words which we have written over here, can you put A or N before these words? Where can we put A and where can we put N? See over here, EAR, ear. We can put N ear, because E is a vowel. Arm, arm. Ice, umbrella, orange. We can put N over here at all the places because all these are vowel words. Over here we can put article A. This article A we can put because all these are consonant words. A box, a class, a dish, a fish, a glass. So N will come with vowel words and article A will come with consonant words. Now let us learn the rule which is given. We use A and N before singular nouns. So you have to write this rule. When do we use article A or N? We use article A or N with singular nouns. Means when it is only one. A box, an umbrella, when there is one box, one umbrella. When there is one apple, one elephant, or one dish, etc. When the noun is only one, when it is singular noun, only then you can use A or N. We write A before the words beginning with consonant sound. So when do we use A? We use A when the words start with consonant sound. As I told you, article A will come when the words start with consonant sounds, that is the 21 alphabets that we have learnt. And if the word starts with vowel sound, then we have to use article N. So we use N before the words beginning with vowel sound like apple, elephant, orange, umbrella. All these words start with vowel sound, so we have to use article N. But with all other words like box, class, dish, fish, etc., we have to use article A because they start with consonant sound. See, the examples are given: a house and apple. So you can write down these 2 examples in your notebook. What is given? A house. So why do we use article A? Because house, House, it starts with H. H is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we say a house. Then an apple. Why do we say an apple? Because apple starts with article A. The first alphabet is article A. So we say an apple, an umbrella, an orange. So I hope you have understood, and this is it for today, how to use article A and the. In short, what we have done in today's video, we have learned about 2 types of articles, 2 categories: indefinite, definite articles. We have learned that there are 5 vowels, 21 consonants in English. Then we have written 5 examples for each vowel words, consonant words, and also we have learned how to use article A or N, and also when to use article the. So please watch this video a second time on YouTube and revise your lessons. Take care all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.